Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to add an administrator to your Facebook page. So the first step is to simply open the Facebook app on your phone. Then you have to simply go to menu, and then basically here what you have to do is simply tap on pages, and then you have to simply tap on a switch now under the page that you want to add an administrator. So I'm going to go with Formula Hype, this one here, and then simply go to menu. And then here you have to simply tap on this settings button in the right corner, and then simply go to page settings, and then scroll down, and then you have to go to page access. And as you can see here, you can basically add new. So you can see you here at the top. So simply tap on add new, and then tap on next, and then here you have to simply search for the person that you want to add as an administrator to your page. So I'm gonna go with this one here, and as you can see, basically they're gonna have this the following access, but if you want, you can allow this person to also have full control. So basically anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page including you. So this is very important. They can delete you or delete the page. So usually I don't select this because it's risky, so I only go with this at the top, and then simply give access, and then here you have to enter your Facebook profile password, and then confirm, and then basically you're gonna have to wait for them to accept the invitation. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.